I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. All the boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I think it's special what's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Pick up this bridge.
Hey guys, it's Joy here. Today I'm going to be trying out the RevAir Reverse Blow Dryer. I'm so excited to try this out. I just unboxed it this morning. I went in the shower, washed my hair, and sectioned it off, and I'm going to be doing my first impressions. If you love my hair videos, make sure you go subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me down in the comments below. Would you want to use a reverse blow dryer? This one retails for about $400, which is crazy. Sorry, my dog just walked down here. I also wanted to let you know I have a free curly hair growth guide for you guys, so go down in the description box below and get your free guide on how to maintain length in your natural hair.
Low-key decent auto sales, and let me
so go grab my free guide on how to maintain the length in your natural hair. Alright, so we're putting the dog down and we're getting started. So it says to basically start on this number 2 setting, and then there's 2 heat settings. But basically you put your hair down this hole, and then you have a long hose, and then you just hold it to your scalp. So let's get started. So I'm starting at 12:28. We're gonna see how long this takes me to do my one section. So I'm gonna turn on the timer and stopwatch. I'm gonna turn this baby on. So that's crazy. That is crazy. Okay. Alright. I see the hype. I see the hype.
I said they call me cherry. I love strawberries, so bananas and apples and grapes come get me. Said they call me cherry. I love strawberries, so bananas and apples and grapes come get me. Be cherry. This all about you. It's what I do. I said this all about you. It's what I do. I call you my Kama Sutra with a suitcase, an angel with a cute face. Took me back to my kick push days, Uday de Lupe. I couldn't wait to get it, finally got it today. So delicious, my peanut butter chocolate cake with Kool-Aid, no Ray. So I guess we just some little black beetles. Also
Alright,
at the altar.
so these
I'm
are
over
the
it like a
finished
steeple. Use a John, I'm a legend. We know ordinary people.
I
devil
shook
for your
it.
love, little evil
Okay.
Reverend from the soul, you masticated
So,
some I want
and
your
it looks
salute.
so
You
good
weren't
because I
listening
trimmed
to
my
Sergeant
hair a
Pepper's
couple
only heart.
weeks ago.
I know you glad as me. Fate is what it had to be. This is my Tennessee Williams, Paula's glass.
Alright, y'all, so let's talk about my
But
final
actually,
thoughts
I'm
on
just
the
a soul that's
RevAir.
approaching you by the way
Time
that I
is
hear that you
it?
bilingual and
It
bicultural
is
too. So grab
1
a glass,
o'clock.
it's a beauty that we toasting
That's
to my
scary.
magnifying
It is 1 o'clock, so total time was 30 minutes for me to add the product and do each section. So 30 minutes is insane. My arms feel free and it looks great. I'm gonna show you guys up close what it looks like. It still has some texture to it, which I think is fine because it looks so stretched. Like when I blow dry my hair, it doesn't really end up looking this good. The back, what it looks like. Hopefully that looks fine. But it looks great. All right, so let's talk about my final thoughts. So I think that this is so awesome. It took no time. My hands feel fine, like they don't hurt, and the hair feels soft. I think my roots are still a little bit damp just because I did bigger sections, but I think 8 sections is a great way to go if you have thick hair. What I might do is just go over the roots to make sure it's completely dry. But oh my gosh, this is definitely a 5-star product. I have no complaints. It didn't tangle up my hair. You know, when you see this product, you're like, is this just for white people or can I use it too? Yes, you can. I guess my only thing is the price point. If you, I guess, save up for it, or if you're someone who does blowouts all the time on your hair, definitely I would look into getting this. Also, another con is that it's not really portable. That's why I said this is more of like a salon item, because if you're traveling or something, you're definitely not gonna be able to take this whole machine with you. But yeah, I think that it is awesome. Definitely lived up to the hype that Instagram videos were giving it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my blown out hair. I may do a style, but that will come in a different video. So thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up for, you know, some good reviews. Thanks RevAir again for providing me this amazing product. I'm shooketh and I think it looks really good. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.